Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Put both AirPods Pro in their charging case or power them off so nothing moves. Work over a towel to catch tiny pieces. Identify the current ear tip size, small, medium, or large, because fit affects seal and sound. Once identified, hold the silicone base at the widest part, pinch the stem gently, then twist while pulling away from the acoustic mesh. This releases the bayonet-style connection. Doing this prevents damage to the speaker mesh and keeps the retention mechanism. Now pick the correct replacement tip. You want a snug seal for bass and noise reduction, so try medium first and adjust if needed. Once chosen, align the bayonet-style tabs on the new silicone tip with the nozzle slots, then push straight on until you feel and hear a click. This confirms engagement. After attaching, give each tip a firm but gentle tug to ensure it won't come off in your ear. If it moves, detach and receipt to the click, because a loose tip reduces sound quality and risks loss. Finish by running the AirPods fit test or play familiar audio to confirm seal, comfort, and balanced sound. Good seal equals improved bass and noise cancellation. If audio seems muffled or uneven, make sure the tip is fully clicked onto the nozzle, then try the next size up or down because shape differs per ear. If a tip won't lock or keeps falling off, inspect the retention ring for debris. If damaged, replace the tip set. Do not use glue or improvised fixes, since those can ruin the connector and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.